I'm going to show you how to work an enlarged eyelet. So these are regular sized eyelets in my modern lace wrap, and these are a double yarn over eyelet. Work an SSK, so slip like a knit, slip like a knit, and then insert your left hand needle into the slip stitches and knit them together. Then you're going to wrap the yarn around your right needle like a yarn over, and then again for a second yarn over, and then knit two together right afterwards. So the SSK subtracted one, then we had two yarn overs that added one, and then the knit two together subtracted the other. When you get to those double yarn overs on the next side, you're going to knit the first one, bring the yarn to the front, and that's what helps twist the yarn around the yarn over, the double yarn over, so that it doesn't unravel. And then you're going to purl the second yarn over. So you have to work a knit and purl combination there. You can't work both in knit or both in purl. And there's our jumbo yarn over. Happy knitting.